Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to dive deep into NERDWALLET app review. To get started with a quick overview, NERDWALLET is a free, professional and personal finance app designed to help users manage their money with clarity and confidence. It consolidates your financial accounts, including the bank account, credit card, loans, and investments, into a single dashboard, providing a comprehensive view for your financial health. The key features include the credit score monitoring, together with the marketing tools and net worth tracking and personalized financial insight. The app is available on both iOS and Android platform. And here's a quick review about the strength. The NERDWALLET allows users to monitor their net worth, cash flow, spending habit by linking various financial accounts. This holistic view adds to is understanding and the managing professional financial effective. Users can also access their credit score for free, receive alerts on changes, and get insight into their factors affecting their credit health. The app offers budgeting features that also help categorize expense and track spending against budgeted amounts, promoting better financial discipline. And analyzing the weekend of this platform, some users have reported delays in account balance updates, which can affect the accuracy and a real-time financial tracking. While the NERDWALLET offers investment tracking, it lacks advanced investment management tools, which may not meet needs of the more experienced investor. And also, the app is primarily designed for US user, which is United States user. Some features may not be applicable or available to international countries. And here's the bottom line about this platform. NERDWALLET is best suited for individuals seeking a free, user-friendly app to manage and understand their personal finances. It's also comprehensive tracking, the credit monitoring, and educational resources make it a valuable tool for those looking to improve their financial health. However, users require real-time account update or advanced investment management features may find the app lacking in those areas.